Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your caption on TikTok after posting. So the first thing you will need to do is to open your page and go to the video. This is a video that I just have posted. So as you can see, I just clicked on the menu and I cannot see a tool that allows me to edit the caption. So there isn't any. So the only thing that you will need to do is to basically go and come back after 3 to 5 minutes. So as you can see, I am now able to click on the edit post. So there is an edit post option on there that I can use. So simply just type in the changes. So type in the caption that you want to add. But please note that you can only change your description or the cover once a day and within 7 days of posting. So basically, if I change this now, I won't be able to change it till tomorrow. So after you change, your caption is gonna be under review for maybe an hour. It should be done like really quick. Does it take a long time? And once the review is done, the caption is gonna be changed. It's super easy and simple.